feel the seed of doubt, but I'm telling